for Experian, where we were asked to extend their best-in-class governance to internal operational data. I say best-in-class because Experian already had an iron grip on the governance of data that they use in their financial and credit-related products, because it's all subject to rigorous legislation and regulated by the FCA. But internal operational data didn't have that same level of diligence, and so that was the nut that we were there to try and crack. For the timeline, we started in November, December 2019 with a short discovery phase and catalogued pain points with a set of recommendations and an improvement plan. Then in 2020, we set about mapping out and improving the product data across the internal systems by understanding the flow and lineage and painstakingly correcting it across the piece. We mobilized data governance roles and forums for product and client data. And in 2021, we started mapping and fixing the client data, which was a bit more of a beast. But we were able to establish a reference source for company data against which we could then cleanse some of the key data sets and improve automation of this data flowing to downstream systems. We mobilized data governance roles and forums for finance and people data, and we delivered a data quality reporting capability by using Experian's own Aperture Data Studio tool. In 2022, we recruited a permanent enterprise data team and started to embed good data management practice into one of the two key strategic programs to help map authoritative sources across a holistic end-to-end design and assure data quality for each phase of the program. Then in 2023, we continued to support the commercial transformation program and handed over to the permanent team. This is a job well done from our perspective, as we had a really good lead time for handover and were able to leave them confident in their mission and self-sufficient to carry it out. And the benefits have been huge. We've improved the quality and flow of core master data, better enabling all of the customer service, billing and finance processes and the strategic programs that were dependent on that data. The glossary is being referenced across projects and programs and different business functions, and some of the technical teams are starting to build their system data dictionaries alongside it within the same tool. Having a data quality reporting capability was also a bit of a game changer. Many teams have started clamoring to be able to use it for the delivery of data quality reports. We have learned that you need to be quite strict with controls to stop it from turning into a free-for-all, but we've ended up reporting key data alignment KPIs to the strategic programs, and they're really kind of chomping at the bit and driving for those, to keep on progressing. The UK division of Experian has also become known as a global exemplar for operational data governance, and some of the global teams are trying to roll this best practice out across the other regions. Data governance is now being embedded into programs, which is a great way to ensure you get maximum return on investment for the cost of change. And last but not least, by having product and client data cleaned up and joined up, they're able to simply serve the customers better and raise customer satisfaction scores.